Hi everyone! I wanted to show you the big reveal of Pour Colleen Studios. It's been in the works for quite some time. We have our sink over here, yay. Lots of artwork, not a whole lot hanging yet, but we have these giant tables. These are for classes if anybody is interested in joining. They're big, they break up into 3 separate tables so people can social distance. They can still be pretty far apart and still enjoy themselves. Lots of counter space. Some paints. We have an outside entrance, which is good in case you don't want to come through the house. Some of the paints. We have another rack for more paints. It's really going to be awesome. There's a drying rack, so everyone's beautiful artwork can dry safely and on a flat surface, so we don't lose any paint. Anyway, we just wanted you to see it, enjoy it, come on down and paint with me or book a class. Thank you. Bye.